Hey friends, are you in need of a good sharp knife? I was gifted this knife by Mossy Oak and I'm pretty excited about it. I just wanted to share it with you. Look at how nice that is. It comes in its case. Check that out. Isn't that beautiful? I'm going to be using it to cut up some chicken. Now, y'all, I realize that this is a much heftier knife than needed to use to cut up chicken, but that's what I was cooking today. So this is the Mossy Oak Serbian chef knife. It's a meat cleaver knife with a leather sheath. It's cutting smoothly. You can tell that I'm used to using my dull knife because I'm going back and forth, when in reality you don't have to do that with this one. It just goes, it's a simple slice straight down. It works really, really well. It's a good heavy weight. I love the design style of it. It is hand forged, so that's really, really cool. This is a great knife for cooking at home, or if you've got a hunter in your life and you're looking for a great gift to give him, this would be a great gift for him, and would work really well at the deer lease. I really like this knife, and I thank Mossy Oak for sending it to me. Thanks for watching.